guys, I am Jennifer Perkins and I'm here in Austin, Texas, ready to help you celebrate 4th of July. Let's get started. One of my favorite activities is lawn bowling with 2-liter bottles as the bowling pin. And this is 2 coats with your paint that will stick to plastic. You know, you could do them all red, you could do them all blue. I wanted to start with white so then I could decorate them into fireworks, you know, keeping it in theme. Popsicle, anyone? They sure do look tasty, don't they? Red, white, and blue? Don't do it. Don't eat them. You know why? Because these are soap pops. The first thing I did is coated the inside of my mold with cooking spray. Like if you were baking, set that aside. Next, you're gonna need a brick of glycerin soap. You can buy this at the craft store. You're gonna also need soap colorant. It is specific, it's not food coloring, it is a soap colorant. Then one color at a time, you cut off your bricks. Each one of mine took about 4 bricks per color. Put it in a coffee mug, microwave it. You're just trying to get it into a liquid form and it will melt down pretty quickly. And then I poured it all into my cooking spray greased popsicle mold. And I made sure that it was all, you know, roughly the same level. You wanna remember to put in a popsicle stick. Then you wanna let that set up and congeal. That could take maybe an hour, a lot quicker if you pop it in your freezer. Put them as a little party favor. Cute little reminder that everybody needs to wash their hands. Let's talk table runner. So the first thing you need is obviously a table runner. You can make your own. You can find one at the thrift store. I got mine online. You just want it the length of whatever table you're gonna be using. The next thing you're gonna need are some star stickers, like so, and you would cover this entire table runner with your stickers. And what that is gonna do is, I'm sure you've all worked with a stencil, but this is gonna act more as a resist when we put on that fabric spray paint. Everywhere there's a sticker, there's now gonna be a white star. Ba-bam, table runner magic is ready for the hot dogs and bomb pots.
You guys can check out more of her fabulous ideas on her own website, jenniferperkins.com.